Hi everyone, I am really hoping this is working. I know that there's a slight lag when I look at my laptop, so if you want to leave me a message if you're here, great. If not, you can see it whenever you get the chance. I'm just sharing with you a quick and easy Under the Mistletoe Designer Series paper Christmas card. It's a bonus design. It's not featured in the class or the online class, but it's just a bonus one. If you're interested in attending the online class, well, I shouldn't say attending, purchasing the online class, you can get that through yamstamps.com/mistletoe, MISTLETOE is the shortcut, and you can purchase access to the online class. Okay, in the meantime, let's try this Facebook Live for the bonus card. So I'm doing what I'm calling a fake iris folding card. Iris folding is a technique where people will use folded pieces of paper to create really intricate designs. And if you've ever been to a class with me, you know that I'm not into a lot of really fussy work. So this is my cheater method of doing it. So I'm going to use my Big Shot and my magnetic platform. And this piece of cardstock is Whisper White. It is 3 3/4 by 5 inches. And I'm using one of the layering circles dies. I'm just going to do that really quickly. There. And we're just going to run it through and die cut it. So I'm cutting that out so we have a little window. And then, because I want it to be a bit more interesting, on the finished card, I'm going to put my regular platform in, and I'm going to emboss the die cut piece. So you want to emboss after you have die cut. If you do it before, you're going to squish all your, you're going to squish all your embossing if you die cut afterwards when you run it through the Big Shot. So I'm going to put that in. This is the, I always get this name wrong, Softly Falling embossing folder, I believe. And I'm going to run it through. And that just gives a little texture to my cardstock. So I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably. Oh, there you go. Just gives a nice little effect, so I can pick which way I want it to go. I can do that after. So my fake iris folding, what I'm going to do is really quickly just run some snail adhesive around the edges. And so if you are a really precise crafter, I'm going to apologize now because this is the quick and easy cheater method. So basically you're going to, this is the back of the paper, and you're just going to run the paper across so it covers part of the opening. And I'm just going to snip it off. And then I'm going to do a little bit more. Again, run it across the edge. Snip it off. You're kind of getting the idea here, right? Snip it off. And I'm just putting a little extra adhesive down so that my paper sticks. Okay. And then I'm going to repeat it. As long as you kind of keep going in the same direction, you're good. So I'm going to put it a little bit further into the center, and I'm going to line it up with that edge. I'm going to make it parallel to that edge because I'm not doing any really precise measuring. That is my compromise for trying to keep things straight. So rather than doing that, I'm trying to line it up with this edge, if that makes sense. We'll see how good I get at the end when I flip it over and we all go, oh no! Yeah, I didn't do that very good job there, did I? Oh well, it's already stuck down. That's the beauty of handmade and live. And then what you can do, so you can sort of see the effect there. You can sort of see the edges. Just gives a little different effect. And then I'm going to trim that off again. And then what you can do in the middle, again, sorry for all you really precise crafters. This is not it. I promise that in the class it's a little bit more precise than that. And that just kind of gives you a little bit of an effect on the inside. What you can do, if you like, then you can make a little extra. I'm going to totally cheat and just do a little cutout like this. There are fancier ways to do it, but you can turn it into a little ornament like that. So we can put a little, let's see if I can get this organized here. This is Baker's Twine that is included in the Share What You Love, the little accessory pack that you can get. I'm just adhering that in the back. Again, this is quick and dirty. I'm trying to get to the point where I'm getting my cards done and getting them out rather than spending 10 hours fussing over them forever. And again, this is a bonus card. This is not actually in the card class. I just thought I'd give you something interesting to look at. Totally. See how much I can mess this up. There you go. You kind of get the idea, right? Kind of looks like an ornament. And then so this is the new Shaded Spruce cardstock, and then this is a 5.5 by 8.5 cardstock, and you fold it in half. Ta-da! There's your quick and easy Christmas card featuring the Under the Mistletoe Designer Series paper. So I'll get closer so you can get a quick peek at it. So if you'd like 4 other designs and just see what kind of things you can use your Designer Series paper for, so you don't have to use the Under the Mistletoe Designer Series paper for the cards, but you can. I'm just going to switch over here again. Hi again. So that's the card. Oh, wrong side. That's the card there. But again, if you want to register for the class, go to yamstamps.com/ which is, you know, the bottom is on the left and the top is angled towards the right. If that's a slash or a backslash, I'm not sure. Mistletoe. I'll put the link in the comments after, and you can sign up for the class. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll try this again another time. Technology is not always my friend, I know that, but I'm trying. Please feel free to ask me any questions, leave me a message, leave a comment, and hope to see you again sometime soon.